Let's see what we have here. What? I just made some money? I've been asleep all night.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you some apps that pays you to sleep in 2021. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Give me a like. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. And share this everywhere. Before I get into the method, it looks like we're not going to make it to 6,000 subscribers by January the 15th. Because January the 15th is tomorrow, so it looks like we're not going to make it. So guys, what I'm going to do is extend the free money giveaway until the end of January. So you still have time to be eligible for the free money giveaway. Just click on the link in the description or in the comments below and become eligible, follow those instructions, and help me get to 6,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I put up this app called Panel App Prizes and Rewards. So with this app, you're going to earn cash, win prizes, take surveys, collect points, and refer friends. Now, you don't have to do the surveys you don't want to, and you're still going to make money with this app. All you have to do is have the app installed on your phone. It's going to accumulate points, and you'll be able to redeem those points for gift cards or cash. So, Panel App key features: simple location-based surveys, share location, no need to open the app daily to earn. Like I said before, you don't even have to open the app, just have the app on your phone and you're going to be able to accumulate points and redeem those points and earn money or gift cards, guys. And also, when you refer friends and family, you can earn more points doing that also. So you're going to earn gift cards from your favorite brands, including Amazon, Starbucks, and Google Play. Enter a chance to win prizes like an Xbox One or PS4. So guys, they got a lot of different ways you can make money, but if you don't want to make money that way, you can just install the app and just leave it there and you're going to earn points. Now, let me just read one more thing, guys, so you can understand what this app does. So the Panel App measures device data, including apps and location, for the purpose of market research and analytics. Panel App values your privacy and allows you to opt out at any time by removing the app from your device. So guys, if you're skeptical about this app taking your personal information, which it doesn't, all it's going to do is just do market research and analytics on your device data, which is not going to be any personal information, and including apps and locations. So that's all, guys, and you're going to be able to earn points and make money from this app. Now let's look at the rating. So 4.4 out of 5 stars. That's very, very good, because any app that's over 4 stars is a very good app. Apps that are like 3, less than 3, or less than 3.5, those apps are kind of shaky. You got to watch out for those apps. But any app that's 4 on up, it's a very, very, very good app. All right, guys, so I'm not going to read any reviews on this app because I want to get to the next app. So if you want to come here and check out the reviews before you download the app, you can. Again, if the name of this app is Panel App. It's a very good app. So please check it out and install it in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the next app. Okay, guys, I'm at the next app and I'm at the website. It's called cashmagnetapp.com. So get money from your Android phone. We pay for every minute of your time when you do nothing. So, guys, this is definitely an app that you can get paid for just sleeping. You don't have to do anything. So, it's free to sign up. You just sign up right here. And here's just a example of how the app look inside here. So you can see how they accumulating points. How much points they accumulating today, how much they accumulated yesterday, and then the earnings for the month. So it says here, we have the largest payments because Cash Magnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. So you do not need to perform any tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Wow. So prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. That's something else, guys. You don't have to do anything. And then you can get another phone and make that a Cash Magnet. So it's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. So earn money using your phone for doing nothing, absolutely passive income. So is it free to use? Yes, it's completely free to use. Which operation system is supported? Which is Android. And it has to be a version 4.2 or higher. And let's scroll down here and see what else. Let's see what the minimum payment is. So minimum payment is $1, so you can cash out at $1. And one more thing, guys. When you cash out, you can cash out for PayPal money, Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards, iTunes, PlayStation, or Xbox. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. So you have to come to this website to download the app. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making money sleeping by doing nothing with this app, go to cashmagnetapp.com. Now, I got one bonus app I want to show, and I'm going to go to their website right now. All right, I'm at this next app, which is called Datacorp.com. And it says here, your personal data revolution. So on this one, it's similar to the other apps. All you're going to do is be downloading this onto your phone. It's going to collect some data and you get paid for doing that. So this is what they say. They say internet behemoths, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, have made the quickest and largest fortunes in history on the backs of your personal data. They've treated it like a public commons, a resource to be exploited to create the data, but they warehouse, mine, and monetize it without giving you a cut. So what they're saying, guys, this is what these big companies do with your data. Now, what they're saying on this site, you're going to get cut. You're going to get a cut of that money that they're making off of your data. So take ownership and control of your data through blockchain enhanced apps and tools rather than the digital behemoths exploiting your data for their own economic gain. Monetize your own valuable assets as you see fit. How about that, guys? So they're going to give you a cut. You better download some apps that's going to do the same thing as far as analyze the data and everything, but you're going to get a cut of this. So it's time to get paid, earn cash, discounts, and cryptocurrency for connecting and exchanging your valuable data. Keep earnings through online data sales. Isn't this something, guys? So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. It's just a little bonus website that I found. I said, hey, let me check this out and let me present this to my family here. So guys, if you're interested to learn more about this, go to Datacorp.com. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, if you made it this far, please type this number that pops on the screen right now in the comment section. That lets me know that you watched this video all the way to the very end. And also, when you type that number down in the comment section, that's going to increase your chances of winning the free money once I hit 6,000 subscribers. So we got until January the 30th or end of January to get the 6,000. Let's get there, guys. Share this. Let's make it. I know we can get there. Now, I just want to do a shout out. I want to shout out to this person right here. I'll flash it on the screen. Appreciate your comment and appreciate you being a subscriber to my channel. Now, if you want to get a shout out, please drop a creative comment in the comments below and I'll shout you out in one of my videos. Because if you have a small YouTube channel and you're trying to grow, if I give you a shout out, it may help you. You might get some more subscribers for your YouTube channel. So please drop a creative comment. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys' help. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.